Amidst the lush greenery of the rainforest, vibrant parrots enjoy nature's feast. Paired in the dance of nature, parrots connect in quiet moments. In the banquet of nature, every species gathers, enjoying the sweet fruits together. The songbird, with its humble plumage, captivates with its graceful stillness and calm. With glowing red eyes, they weave through the foliage, blending into their natural world. The toucan, an iconic symbol of the rainforest, its striking beak and sharp gaze seem to communicate with us. In the daylight, the bat hangs in peaceful slumber, oblivious to the lively world around it. Each call is a song of the forest, marking the strong presence of the rainforest birds. In quiet moments, its colors stand out like a flame in the shadows of the dense jungle. With striking colors and graceful movements, parrots always draw attention with their charm. In the forest's shadowy depths, the owl watches silently, always guarding the peace. From faraway Australia, this bird brings its soothing melodies, blending into the rainforest symphony. The perfect harmony of color and sound, creating the rhythm of nature. The toucan, a symbol of strength and grace, commands attention with its presence. With its simple beauty, the pigeon becomes a familiar sight, carrying the message of peace. Amidst the forest feast, life thrives, bursting with energy and joy.